What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Blue Icepop. This is a new microphone replacement for the Logitech Pro X and the wireless Logitech Pro X, and it essentially increases the size of the condenser within the microphone and supposedly results in a much better sound. So we're going to unbox this today and try it out. And then in another video, we're also going to do a better comparison with different types of background noise and effects and filters and things like that, using both of the different mics to see which one is actually better. So yeah, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and those numbers are just so sad to see. So if you like videos like this and want more tech tips, tricks, and hints and tutorials and cool how-tos, please go ahead and give me a follow or subscribe below. So let's go ahead and jump into the video itself. The Blue Icepop. This is a not very available everywhere device. I couldn't find it anywhere except the official Logitech store, so it took a little longer to get it. You do have to order it on Logitech.com. Logitechg.com for gaming, and it's $50, so it's kind of an expensive mic for the size that it is. You can buy lapel mics for $10, so this, it is a professional microphone, and honestly, this is the best mic I've used. I have a Blue Yeti. I have plenty of other different mics that I've tried along the years during my time either doing YouTube videos, recording professional videos, or even recording music. And this just picks up my voice really, really well. So anything I can do to increase the fidelity of this makes it even better. So I was excited to see the Blue Icepop, and we're going to open it up today and try it out. So I've already taken off the little plastic stickers there. They're very easy to remove, and they come with a piece of it not sticky, so you can actually grab it and just pull it off. That's very useful. And then after that, you can just pull this off. You can see inside here. And inside of this, we have the Blue Icepop here. You can see my green screen back there. We're going to go ahead and pull that out. And there it is. We have the microphone itself, which I'll show you up close. Very nice, very sleek. And in this piece that I pulled out on the back, there's a little documentation here as well. You pull this open, and there's documentation there. So we can actually pull this out, and we can see all the information if you need that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the main actor here. This is the Blue Icepop. We'll pull it out, and here it is. It's nice and small and sleek, and it's very comparable to the size of the other mic. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unplug this mic and plug in this new mic so you can see how it looks on the device itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this. And now we are on the new mic. It shouldn't sound too different because the original was very high quality already, but this is the direct result of just unplugging and plugging in the new mic with no setting changes or anything like that. So it's a pretty good estimation of the sound quality you'll see when you switch the mics. And this is the old mic. It's a smaller condenser mic. The one in the Icepop is a 10 millimeter blue condenser mic capsule, so it's a much larger capsule, and it has a built-in pop filter instead of an external kind of shield over it. So yeah, it's really nice. I like the way it looks, especially with the Wicked ear pads that I've replaced on them, which I'll do another video on later. I think it's kind of nice. It's kind of cool, streamery, classy at the same time, and it matches the Blue Yeti if you have one of those. Well, yeah, let me know what you think of the Blue Icepop and what headphones and microphones you use in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.
What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.